guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well. Now, I wasn't actually planning on dyeing my hair today, but I feel like it needs it because I honestly don't really know what is going on right now. So the last look I did was like purple roots into, it was meant to be orange, like a pinky orange on the ends, but it ended up going this kind of like reddy pink, and then when it faded it went pink, and now it's kind of like washed out and it's gone a bit silvery but with like a green tint. And my roots, oh my god, honestly, I feel like blue is haunting me. It's gone like blue in some parts and then it's still purple. Yeah, I don't really know what's going on, but I need to touch up my hair so I can sort it out and get it all looking good again. So I'm going to work with the colour that it already is. So I'm actually going to be using Arctic Fox Girls Night on the roots, and I'll probably bring it down to kind of midway. And then I'm going to pop Arctic Fox also Neverland on the ends. So I'm going to hopefully create this lilac-y kind of lavender purpley colour ombre into this kind of minty pastel green. Fingers crossed it works. My last ombre look didn't go that great because I used Manic Panic. I mean, the bottom colours faded really well, but these top colours, I don't really know why it's gone blue if I'm honest, because I'm pretty sure the base colour I used, actually was it purple? I mixed purple and pink together, so I'm super surprised it's gone blue, but I guess blue is within the pigments of the purple dye. Yeah, super annoying, but hey ho, we're going to be touching it up today and hopefully it looks good. Also, yeah, this situation, we're still in lockdown here in the UK and the hair salons don't open up for another 4 weeks, I think it is. So I've got a little bit more time to wait till I can get my roots done, which is super annoying. Like, you can see my grey hairs. It's not a good look, but yeah, it is what it is. And yeah, hopefully I can get them done soon, but we're going to work with it for now. So yeah, I'm going to get straight into this look. I really hope you enjoy this tutorial. Let's get down my hair.
It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking. If it's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. I try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against a red cup makes me lose my mind completely. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking if it's a shot of love. Baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you, adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you,
So guys, that is the dye on. It looks quite good, I think. I'm not sure what's going to happen up here. I feel like the lilac-y colour isn't strong enough to go over the blue. I feel like I can see some streaks of blue still, but maybe it will look a little bit kind of textured and highlighted with all the different like tones of purples and blues. And then the end looks really good. That's taken really well. I love it. It's like a pepperminty kind of green. I mean, I just love this blend. I love the two colours together. I'm going to leave this on for an hour, I think, and then wash it out. And I'll be back to show you the finished look. And hopefully this time, this ombre look using the Arctic Fox dye is going to work a lot better. I made sure I brushed my hair so the colours would blend as well. So that's another little technique you can do if you're doing ombre. And then it also popped on a tiny bit more of the purple at the top and just blended it in a little bit. But yeah, fingers crossed this works and looks cute. Yeah, I'll be back soon to show the finished look. Right guys, I am back. I left the dye on for like 2.5 hours, which is longer than I normally do. But I had a Zoom counselling session, which I do every Monday. Because obviously we're in lockdown, and yeah, I just left my dye on and then I had lunch and it just happened to be on for 2.5 hours. So yeah, let's have a look to see what it's like. Ooh, right, let's get a brush through that. Okay, this looks cute. I can still see some like tones of blue. I'm going to put some of this in. This is Milkshake Incredible Milk. It's a leave-in treatment for all hair types. I pop this on and basically it repairs all hair types. It's got frizz control, it prevents split ends, it's got heat protection, long-lasting hairstyle, incredibly detangling, shine, adds body and volume, easier styling, protects and maintains colour, protects from UV rays and smoothens the cuticles. So yeah, I love this stuff. I just spray a couple of squirts into my hand and then run it through my hair. Also, I love the smell of this stuff. It's absolutely gorgeous. But my hairdresser uses it at the salon I go to. So I thought I'd get it. Because if it's good for salons to use, it's got to be good for you to use at home. And I've had Milkshake hair treatments before at a salon as well. So yeah, I just really like their products and they just leave your hair smelling gorgeous. Okay. This looks cute. I'm going to blow dry it now. And yeah, I'll be back to show you the finished look. Guys, I'm back and this is my hair. What do we think? I think it worked quite well. I have to say though, it's still quite bluey. It's so frustrating. But saying that, I do think it looks really nice having the really deep kind of purpley roots that were obviously there before and have just gone a little bit more like deeper from adding the Girls Night Arctic Fox hair dye over the top. But it does kind of work going from the purple into this like bluey kind of tone, and then it kind of goes a little bit whitish into the pepperminty kind of green, the Neverland colour from Arctic Fox. So I mean, it does look cute and it does work, and like it's nice that there's these different tones. Like if I was to wear my hair up, it's weird, the bluey tones only seem to be in my fringe in these front bits, which is very interesting. I don't know why that is, because underneath it is literally purple into the mint green. But I think it's kind of cool that we've got these bluey tones. It just adds a bit more to the look and to the hair dye. This side, again, I think the blend is nice. Yeah, it works. It looks good. The back looks good, I think. I think it all looks great. A lot more successful than the last ombre colour. Definitely not really going to use Manic Panic anymore. I just feel like sometimes the colours just don't come out. They can be very intense or not come out quite the right shade and also be patchy. So I feel like Manic Panic for my hair, I'm just not keen on. That's just me personally. I know a lot of you guys feel the same with with Manic Panic, but a lot of you actually get on with it so well, so that is great that it works for your hair. I think Arctic Fox is definitely one of my favourite go-tos, and these colours have worked really, really well. It's definitely saved my hair from what it looked like before, because it just wasn't, I don't know, it was just it's a bit random. It just didn't look like I'd had it dyed into a style. It just looked a bit like meh. And whenever I feel like my hair looks a bit like meh, it needs to be redone and needs to be dyed again. So yeah, this is cute though. I love it. I'm really loving like mint greens and lilac and purple tones at the moment, because like the pastel kind of fashion trend is like my thing, and I love it. And I've got a lot of like different wardrobe staples for summer that I've introduced that I think will work well with this hair. So yeah, we'll see how long it lasts. I don't expect this minty green colour to last that long, although greens do tend to stick around on my hair quite well, and the undertones of the colour underneath were a bit greeny. But yeah, it's cute. I think it looks really nice. It's fresh, and yeah, my hair just needed a little bit of a zhuzh, and yeah, it's cute. What do you guys think of the new colour? Do you like it? Please leave any comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this video. I hope you're all safe and well, and yeah, I'll see you in another video very, very soon. Peace out.